Okay, I don't know, I don't think I've done one on hinging. Dad did something interesting. Normally, when you looked at one of the bellows, the hinge would be on the inside and doubled over flat. And he did something different. That way, it would flex more in a crease. Well, he did something that I feel is a pretty good idea. He put the blocks inside and the pad, and he put the hinge on the back side. So the maximum movement is just that much. Not a lot of flex, not a lot of creeping involved. So some of these that I took apart, the hinges were no good anymore and I had to redo them. So I've cleaned these blocks up like we discussed earlier on the sides and the ends and everything, so it's ready to receive the new bellows cloth. But now I want to show you what I'm doing to put the hinges together. So you get them flat and square, and then use a little clamp here to get them in. And you want to make sure that these are sitting square. That's why I've got the square on here. And parallel, so that the hinge moves straight. Again, you don't want to over tighten it, but get it enough to where you know that the hinge lines up down the ends. Everything is all squared up and parallel. So we can see that. So what we do is we get a little end here and do a little bit of gluing. I'm not sure if I did this before or not, but we'll put just a little bit of glue on here. This is Eileen's tacky glue, Eileen's. And now we want to spread it out just a little bit on here. Not getting it in hinge area. Take the hinge material that I've got cut. And get that pressed down on here. Making sure the clamps don't move, and get rid of any excess that has squeezed out on there. So there we go, that's re-hinged and everything is square and parallel. So we'll put this one away for later while we go back to cleaning up the sides on the rest of them. More later.